Hi lovely kirakiras and welcome to a new video. As promised in my last one, I'm going to use some of the items Twinkled T sent me. For this tutorial, I came up with these two boho inspired nail designs. Let me know which one you like more and let's get started with the first one. Add a base coat on each nail and then paint 3 nails on each hand with a nude polish. With this polish, I needed to add 3 thin coats. For the next step, I'm using Swerve by Twinkled T. Apply the polish onto the stamping plate, scrape it and pick it up in a rolling motion. I'm using the clear stamper from Twinkled T, which makes the placement of the stamp so easy. If you have some liquid latex, make sure to add it before stamping. It will make cleaning up so much easier. To take this design to the next level, we're going to add an accent nail. For some weird reason, I used a slow drying top coat to secure the items. However, I recommend to use something stronger, for example a nail glue. I used a tiny stone and metal pieces. Be creative and use whatever you have at home which goes with the boho look. If you don't have any turquoise stones, how about making them out of clay? Stamping on each nail would be a bit too much in my opinion, so let's add 2 plain red nails. Seal your manicure with your favorite top coat. Here's the finished design and I'm in love. I actually love the combo of red and green. Since I do have short nails at the moment, I used some fake nail tips for the next design. I skipped the base coat for obvious reasons, but you should add it. Anyways, let's create a dark gray base. I'm using the Artist Plate by Moyu London. For this design, I'm using the polish Icy and it looks so great over the dark background. I managed to apply it crooked even though I have a clear stamper. Whoops! Yeah, forgot about that liquid latex again. So on the middle finger, I secured this cute metal turquoise stud. I either got it from the 100 yen shop in Japan or from Mikazuki Momoko, which is like a 300 yen shop. It's about time to use some tape. Add it in the lower part of the nail like shown. We're basically doing the exact same thing like we did on the previous design, but just not on the whole nail. So you may ask yourself why I don't leave the tape until I'm done with stamping. In my experience, the polish underneath will be too dry at that point and you won't get a crisp line. So let's add the tape again. I spend a lot of time stamping these days and I love it. Give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to see more stamping videos. Let's add a top coat to seal everything in. Here's the finished design and I can't decide which one I like more. Comment a red heart for the first and a blue one for the second design. So I was able to test not only the stamping tools but also the tweezers and scissors from Twinkled T in this tutorial. I had so much fun using each product, and if you're interested to get yourself some nail goodies from Twinkled T, I have a 10% off coupon code for you guys, which is kirakiranail. Wow, this was a mouthful. Would you like to watch another stamping tutorial? Then click the video on the top. Or are you wondering what I got from Twinkled T? Then click the bottom video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!